everyone, I am Rishul Mangla from Indian School Sohag studying in class 8. Today I am going to speak about the role of AI in current pandemic. So first we will discuss the fields where AI is helping. First is virtual assistant or chatbots. Example of this can be Siri, Google Assistant, Cortana, etc. Second is agriculture and farming. AI is used in agriculture field by telling how much is the moisture in soil, telling acidity or basicity of the soil, etc. Third is autonomous flight. Autonomous flight has the potential to deliver increased fuel savings, etc. It is said that an autonomous plane might be released by year 2025. Fourth is retail shopping and fashion. One of the most common online fashion AI use cases is visual recognition. This fashion algorithm recommends similar looking apparel to customers. Visual recognition is most often used on the detail pages of online stores, ensuring that customers will always find the right product. Fifth is security and surveillance. AI for video surveillance and security using machine based learning and algorithm to monitor and analyze the images, videos, and data recorded from the video surveillance cameras. Now let's move on to our main topic, that is role of AI in current pandemic. AI can help with the understanding and tracking of the spread of COVID-19. People have also adopted AI for detecting people with fever in large crowds by the use of AI-powered smart glasses. Worn by security guards, they can check hundreds of people within a few minutes without making contact. These are the glasses. They did it by combining AI with new temperature measurement technology using computer vision. This technology made it possible to take body temperature, a key symptom of COVID-19, in a contactless way without affecting people's normal behavior, which were developed in China and South. AI is helping with image scan analysis and reducing hospital staff workloads. AI is now assisting with other forms of testing such as X-ray scanning. Various AI programs are now available for chest screening that can highlight lung abnormalities in a chest X-ray scan and provide a COVID-19 risk evaluation much faster than human radiologists. This is the way the AI finds out if there is any abnormality in lungs or not. The way AI works is that it automatically recognizes complex patterns in imaging data and providing quantitative rather than qualitative assessments of radiographic characteristics. Robots using AI are minimizing contact between humans. A range of AI based robots have emerged during recent months that help in the COVID 19 battle by reducing contact between patients and healthcare workers, minimizing the risk of cross infections. Chinese firms are using drones and robots to perform contactless delivery and to spray disinfectant in public areas to minimize the risk of cross infection. This is the way the drone takes the deliveries from the storage center to the delivery guy, the guy who has to be delivered the package. Other robots are checking people for fever and other COVID 19 symptoms and dispensing hand sanitizer, foam, and gel. Robots are also being used to serve food and medicine to patients and disinfecting rooms to minimize contact with human staff. Robot dogs are helping doctors assist patients in US hospitals. A company called Boston Dynamics has produced a robot dog known as Spot. This is that robot dog. Identifying, tracking, and forecasting the virus outbreaks, including contact tracing and social distancing enforcement apps. In China, they have used a combination of CCTV image recognition in conjunction with a mobile phone app, and each citizen has a red, amber, or green QR code on the mobile phone which determines whether they should be in quarantine or be allowed to travel outside of their province. So here in the picture, these three people have a red color, and these three people had to be in quarantine, although they are roaming outside. So this is a breaking of law. A company called Landing Artificial Intelligence or Landing AI, made in California, United States, can offer analysis of CCTV video footage in real time to highlight those people not keeping 2 meters apart from each other demonstrated in the picture. This analysis uses deep learning techniques and especially convolutional neural networks. Contact tracing apps. Contact tracing apps are already in widespread use in Asia. In countries like China, Hong Kong, Singapore, and South Korea, they are also now being used in other parts of the world, such as India, Italy, Israel, and a development in other nation states continue. AI algorithms can then determine the risk of cross infection and then alert users of such risk. For example, an app is being tried for use by the British government that works by the using of Bluetooth protocol to identify other smartphone users who are in close proximity to each other. Thus, a person who is not infected but in close proximity to someone that has COVID-19 symptoms could receive an alert. Like in previous slide, where these four people are vomiting and they're really near to each other. Now, what if these two people have the symptoms of COVID-19 and even have the virus? So, these two people will receive an alert on the phone that I find that these two people have symptoms of COVID-19, so I prefer you to stay far from them. And after seeing the alert, these two people can go away from these people. So, in this way, the AI is helpful. Thank you. I've even made a game using PictoBlocks of vaccine killing the virus using bullets. I'll just show that a demo of it and I'll tell the coding like how I've coded the game using PictoBlocks. So this is the game which I have made. Like these viruses are following and this vaccine is gonna kill them. Oh no, a virus killed my vaccine. I killed this virus using the bullet. These three also are dead. Or if this virus touches my, if you see here, the health has become the zero and the game has stopped. So the programming of this using PictoBlocks is the first for the monster sprite. When the run button is clicked, it will keep on changing its costume and after it's clone itself, after every 2 seconds it will clone and come with the another costume. Costume for this virus is this Monster A and Monster B. Now when it starts as a clone, it will show itself and pick a random x position from minus 200 to 200 and y will be 200 only. This is the y position 200. And then if the monster touches the bullet, if the bullet touches the monster, then the score will be increased by 1 as it is 6. Here it was increased by 1 and the sound zoop will come. The sound. And it will delete that clone. If it touches the vaccine, this vaccine, then it will change the health by minus 1 because 3 times it does so minus 1, 3, minus 3 equals 0, the health is 0 and it will delete that clone. Now, if the health becomes 0, after 2 seconds, it will turn my video off and everything will be stopped. Let's see for the bullet. When it starts as a clone, it will start the sound laser 2, this one, and the bullets come out and it will just keep on following the position of my vaccine. This go to X position of the vaccine, Y position of vaccine. and it will show the bullet and it will repeat until it touches the edge or touches the monsters. And it will delete the clone when it touches. The programming for the coding for vaccine is when run button is clicked, it will change the size to 40% of its original size. This is the original size of the vaccine. It will change it to 40% of it and it will go here x equal to 0 and y equal to minus 140. It will keep on roaming here only the vaccine as I move my hand. And it will start the sound of video game 1. This sound and it will turn on my video. And it will keep on analyzing my image from the my hand image from the camera and it will set X to the position of my index finger. Now I was pressing space to shoot the bullet. So if the key space is pressed, it will create a clone of the bullet and after 0.5 seconds this whole process will repeat again. From this forever loop will repeat totally again. The safe block, sorry. The safe block will totally repeat again. After 0.5 seconds, if I press the space again, the bullet will come out. This is my whole game. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.